Okay, let's look at this probability question over here. Now, we want at least one match. Win at least one match. That means this in, lose one, win one. This in, win one, lose one. This in. Okay, at least one match means at least one win over here for this branch. And for this branch here is one win. If not, it's two win. We are still within the what required in the question. Okay, now we can either calculate the probability these three add together, or we can take the whole probability, which is 1, and then minus the probability where you have 2 lose. Then the remaining probability will be these three probability. Okay, now let's do this approach here, minus the 1. Okay, because that is a shorter step will involve. Now let's start off with calculate the probability of this now. Lose. The probability is 2 over 3 times 1 over 4. Cancel the common factor. Okay, so this will give you lose is 1 over 6. Okay, now so probability of at least win once, okay, is equal to all the 1 minus the probability of losing both games. Okay, now so the answer is 1 minus which is probability of losing is 1 over 6. Okay, they give you 5 over 6. If you do not want, let's say you add up all the branches, which is longer, but anyway, let's try out, see, 1 over 3 times 3 over 4, which is these branches. Okay, now you cancel out the common factor. You got 1 over 4. Now this one is 1 over 3 times 1 over 4, so it's actually win lose 1 over 3 times 1 over 4, which equal to 1 over 12. Okay, this one is lose win. Okay, then the third branches is 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. Okay, now for this, you cancel this, you cancel this. So this gives you 1 over 2. Okay, now, so cancel 2, cancel, so you add all these three probability together, 1 over 4 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 1 over 2 here. Oh. Common factor 12, 3 plus 1 plus 6. They give you 10 over 12, which give you 5 over 6. Okay, so that's it. Either way, either work. Okay, so the answer here is the same as this.